So we're going to cut a hole inside the cover plate to let the cable come out. I will show you inside the basic towel. This is the area where you cut the hole because the cable comes in all four sides. Don't cut it in the middle of one of the upstanding areas because the cable cannot come here. Unless, of course, the cable comes from underneath, which could be a solution. So, in this case, we are going to place the cover plate on top and we turn all around to know exactly where to drill the hole. That is the most easiest thing to do, but if you're sure, you can cut it also without the basic towel. We use a standard drilling machine, can be this diameter or any bigger or smaller version. And this will be the case. This is how easy it is to cut. And then of course, if you check it out, this is the perfect position where a cable runs in the inside holes and comes out. Thank you.